So Kyle go to the LTX 2019 convention. I was feeling a little jealous. So Kyle don't know, but I follow him to the event. I am here in Canada too. And I tried to get into the convention. No one let me in. RMG staff rejected me in my face. So you can see I am stuck in the hotel all weekend while Kyle out at the LTX with all the fans, even though I have more fans than him. But that's okay, because I book a Grandmaster luxury suite. And today I give you a room tour and show you what it's like to be rich and famous like a Ryer, not a poor Kyle. We're going to start in the bathroom because I have a strong sense of duty. You see what I did there? We have a stone marble thing, okay? It's a good one. Not made in China. My sink not only have cold, but also hot. When I run out of this bar of soap, I have another bar of soap on standby. What? There's a nice bathtub too. Ryle rub a good bubble bath. Now most of people use a one or two towel a week when they shower. But that's because they are poor people. I use a different towel every day, baby. One towel a day, keep the poor people away. That's a saying. People say that. Here we have a nice closet, okay? This is real gold, solid gold. I can sell that for hot cash. All my clothes are so nice, they need to have their own hanger. Make them very straight and sexy. I even have a safe. All my things are very nice and expensive. Everyone want to steal them, so I put them in here. Better safe than sorry. The Grandmaster Suite also come included with a KU rig. I don't know what this do, but I bet it worked better than any of the rig Kyle built. This is my king size bed. I never make my bed because I have a maid. If you come over here, you see the pillow is very soft, okay? Soft like a dumpling. This is my fine luxury desk made from genuine fake wood. I also have one phone here and another phone 10 feet away. When convenience becomes stupid, that's how you know you're rich. This is my chair. It's the only thing I don't like because it looks like a ketchup and mustard. Make me feel like I sit in a hot dog. And finally, I have a Grandmaster luxury view. I can look down on all the people, literally, metaphorically. Break it down to poor people driving to work. You suck. You suck. You can go home till 5 p.m. Haha. So you can see, I don't miss LTX. I have all the things I need here. Now if you excuse me, I'm going to call room service and order some potato fry from France.